To redeem a World of Warships code, navigate to the World of Warships website, which has designated different sites based on region. Depending on your location, visit the corresponding website: asia.wargaming.net for Asia, na.wargaming.net for North America, or eu.wargaming.net for Europe. Log into your account using your World of Warships login credentials. Then, enter the Premium Shop section, located at the top right section of the page, and click on the Redeem Wargaming Code option. Enter the code to be redeemed in the data field, and to avoid errors, it's recommended to copy and paste the code directly. Once the code is entered, click on the Redeem Code option. After completing these steps, the code will be redeemed, and the award will be received within 24 hours.